Buongiorno e bentornati. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in a panoramic position overlooking the center of Florence in Tuscany. A place whose original charm and elegance remained intact still to this day. We're now about to discover together a newly restored, very particular villa offering modern and comfortable living, a short walk from the historical center of Florence. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The villa is set in the outskirts of Florence, in one of the areas renowned in the past for being among the most notable places where noble families built their countryside manors. In fact, as we look around, it is easy to spot some of the most notable historical villas of this city. The 20 minutes proximity to the airport of Florence makes this villa the perfect solution for frequent travelers. It is also just over 1 hour distance to the airport of Pisa and Bologna. Let's start from the first and main living area. It is characterized by this green, lush and colorful garden that, together with the wall surrounding it, creates this very cozy and welcoming feeling, making you feel like you're stepping inside your home the moment you walk inside. The interesting aspect about this villa is indeed its modular layout, since it is structured in different wings and enclosed areas, offering great privacy and versatility. Si tratta senza dubbio del posto perfetto per trascorrere dei piacevoli momenti all'aperto, sorseggiando dell'ottimo vino toscano a 2 passi dalla culla del Rinascimento. We are now on the other side of the villa, where we find the rest of the outdoor space, which is home to a beautiful 10 by 6 meters swimming pool, encompassed by this gorgeous wooden area. This corner of the property provides not only this swimming pool, but also a shaded poolside area and right beside a staircase leading to a wellness center. Further enriching this space and highlighting its Tuscan charm is the lovely olive grove, that together with the view of the Florence Cathedral makes this the perfect summertime location. There really are many ways to live this villa, but probably the most practical one is to enter with the car from this entrance into this 130 square meters garage. And once inside, you can access the villa passing through the main door. Leading us into a hallway that features a convenient storage room and washroom in each end. As the hallway keeps going, it brings us to the kitchen of the villa, which is right behind me, whereas here we find this dining and living area. Right beside the first living area, we find a second one, characterized by these wooden inserts on the library, these huge windows that let so much light shine through, and this sophisticated herringbone parquet on the floor. It leads to the master bedroom, which follows the same style as this living space, and it has this incredible walk-in wardrobe. On my left, the ensuite bathroom, and on the right, the beds. This spiral staircase leads us to the upper part of the living area, which then arrives on my right to a bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Then, as we walk along, we find the door which opens to the fitness area, which is beautiful because it's enclosed within this glass conservatory. Which then opens to the garden we've seen earlier. Whereas as we go along, we also find 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We are now in the hallway we've seen earlier, which is beside the entrance door, and it arrives on this side to what could be considered either a dependance or a second wing of the villa. It starts with this really spacious dining area. Which then keeps going to this really large living area, which has a bedroom with ensuite bathroom over here. The rest of the living area then leads on my right to what could be considered an office space. And in the end, this really spacious living area with a huge stone fireplace. Siamo ora arrivati alla fine del tour di oggi, che concludo nella terrazza più grande della villa. Spero che questa proprietà vi sia piaciuta e che vi abbia fatto sognare. Ci vediamo la prossima volta, a presto, ciao!